Industries. Speaker sir, allocation to the Industries Department is rupees 85.26 crores. Speaker sir, facilitate the flow of the credit to MSME borrowings in the state of Goa. I introduce Mukhyamantri Saral Udyog Sahaya Yojana, where the coverage guarantee under the Credit Guarantee Fund thrust for micro and small entrepreneurs will be increased up to the maximum of 95%. This will minimize the risk and encourage the collateral-free lending by the member lending institutions. For this purpose, a provision of rupees 10 crores has been made. सभापती महाशय, गायीच्या दुधा वांगडाच गोमूत्र आणि गोमय हा काय खूप महत्व आसा. गोमूत्र आणि गोमय हांच्यापासून निर्माण जावपी उत्पादनाक प्रोत्साहन दिवपी मुख्यमंत्री गोधन योजना आमी चालीक लावपाचें थारायलां. अशी उत्पादनां तयार करपी उद्योगांक प्रोडक्शन लिंक्ड इन्सेंटिव्स दिवपा खातीर आमी 3 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. सभापती महोदय, PMFME ही केंद्रीय पुरस्कृत येवजण राज्यात अंमलात हाडल्या. ह्या येवजणेचो लाव 39 वैयक्तीक युनिटांनी आणि 641 SHG वांगडा जाला. ह्या सगळ्या घटकां खातीर एकूण 4.62 कोटी रुपया वापरल्यात. येवजण सुरळीतपणा चालीक लागून म्हणूनच येवजणे खातीर 10 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. My government has extensively carried out the exercise of reducing the compliances burden for the 2 years. Now government is successfully completing the massive exercise of decriminalization, wherein out of 290 minor criminal provisions in the various acts, 59 criminal provisions under 25 acts are decriminalized. In addition to this, 143 compliances spanning of the various departments have been simplified. In order to provide the support to the cashew industry, the employment subsidy scheme for the cashew industry has been provisioned within rupees 5 crores, and I have also increased the grant to the Khadi Vikas Board of rupees 3.11 crores. Speaker sir, my government is working close coordination with the industries bodies of Goa and implementation of the fixed term employment. This will ensure that employee hired for the short period will also get the statutory benefits such as PF, gratuity, medical benefits, etc. is available to the permanent workman and proportionate and according to the period of the service rendered by him, even if his period of the employment does not extend the qualifying period of the employment required in the statute. Further, to strengthen the infrastructure in the industrial estate, the total outlay of rupees 10 crore has been provided to the support to IDC.